welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Katie Marie and I'm currently on my budgeting / debt-free journey. And in today's video, we are going to be opening up the October kit that I got from Sarah Marie. And I'm super excited because that means the holidays are coming. I can't really choose one over the other. I do like Christmas because I feel like I decorate more in Christmas than I do in October. We do a village for December and I get excited every year because I get to grow my village and get new releases that they come out with at Michael's, and I'm super excited to see what they are coming out with this year. Okay, enough rambling. Let's get into this kit. This is all of my goodies, and then this is my receipt, and I did order it after she released these on her Etsy, so I did get her promo code. I also got some thick washi and thin washies for the month of September as well. Even though I did the unboxing for the September kit, I realized I didn't get enough thick washi and thin washi. So this is the color wave she chose for October. I love it. It kind of reminds me of like a pumpkin. So that was the transaction log. Here is the debt tracker. Then we have the sinking funds. Then we go into my favorite part, the thin washi. So you have 5 thin washies, and I did get 2 of these because I always feel like I run out of the thin washies fairly quickly. So we have a leaves and pumpkin thin washi, 2 plaids, as well as another leaves and pumpkin, and then she has like another variation of the leaves and the pumpkin, and I love it so much. So she has the pink and the gray pumpkin, so it's very like neutral. So then I got my thick washies, and I got 2 of each. So this one is the brown pumpkin and leaves, and it's just a pink and a gray. So I got 2 of those, absolutely beautiful. And then this one is like a very light blue, and the pumpkins are again very neutral. You have the gray and pink and the orange and the yellow. And I can't wait to set up for October. So then we go into the weekly check-in. Then we go into the other favorite part of mine. This is the overview for the month of October. She went with the light blue leaves and pumpkin, and then she paired it up with the black and white plaid. And then we go into the October budget. And then these are for the month of September. So here are just the thin washies again if you missed the unboxing for the September kit. And then I did get 2 more thick washies. So that's what this looks like. And then just 1 of the floral design. Really elegant. She does really like neutral kits, and I think that's why I like it. So that was everything for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every single time I put out a new video. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.